हेलो एवरीवन, दिस साइड अभिषेक ठाकुर और आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ हमारे एक स्टूडेंट का एक्सपीरियंस। राहुल मलिक नाम है उनका। ही इज़ मोर देन अ स्टूडेंट फॉर मी, ही इज़ जस्ट लाइक माई ब्रदर, जस्ट लाइक माई यंगर ब्रदर। ऑलवेज ही यूज़ टू हेल्प मी, आई यूज़ टू हेल्प हिम। जब भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है हम एक दूसरे का हमेशा हेल्प करते हैं। तो आज मैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ। उनका एक्सपीरियंस एवी स्किल में कैसा रहा, किस तरीके का उनको एनवायरनमेंट मिला और क्या क्या चीज़ें उन्होंने यहाँ से सीखी, वो सभी चीज़ें वो आज आपको बताएंगे। तो वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा, उनका एक्सपीरियंस सुनिएगा और देखिएगा कहाँ पे इंग्लिश एवी स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर में आप किस तरीके से अपनी इंग्लिश को बेटर कर सकते हैं। सो साइनिंग आउट टू राहुल।
Everyone, I'm Rahul Malik and I'm a former student of AV Skill Development Bilaspur. As everyone know, it's located near the College Chowk, Bilaspur. And presently I'm here to give my review about the institute, my experience out there, and what will be the outcomes and what you are going to achieve if you are attending the classes or attending the going to the institute for your developing your skill in English. Okay, see. And about talking about the tutors, so there are two tutors in the institute. One Virendra sir, he's generally involved in the computer classes and he's teaching computer out there. And Abhishek sir, as everyone know about Abhishek sir, he's the one who's teaching who's taking the English classes out there. He's the tutor out there, and he's a certified tutor and an excellent. He's excellent in his work. Okay, you will receive a guaranteed result and a very excellent result if you are attending the classes. Okay, so it is advised that do first of all do attend the demo class, because from the demo class you'll get to learn a lot of things. And most probably out of you, if 10 are going for the demo class, most probably 9 will opt for the classes. Okay, and as talking about the fees and all, it's very cheap. It will generally do fit into our budget. And I think no institute will do guarantee say that it will teach you English in 45 days. And talking about English, not only in writing, I have already said, it will be how you communicate with the people and all. Then how you pronounce the language, how you face the society, how you go for the interviews. Yeah, as everyone know, the interview is one of the most requiring thing for a job. And if you are lacking in the interview stuff, you are lacking in most of your 50 skills, I'd say, if you are going for an interview. And yeah, English matters a lot. I say matters a lot, as most probably not here, but as you go outside the state or even go outside to some town and all, you'll yeah, you'll definitely see that the one of the most requiring language is English, and it do shape your personality. The how like how people see you is through most probably, yeah, it's although it's your posture, its body structure and all do matter, how you communicate do matter, but one of the most ingredient, I'll say, is required ingredient is English. Okay, and about the institute, my 3 year experience out there, I have reached from the ground level. I have gone from the ground level to the topmost level, I'll say. As you can see how I'm communicating right now, this is all because of Abhishek sir and our teacher and the environment out there. Yeah, talking about the environment in the institute is one of the, it's like very much needed environment, or very much wanted environment, as most of the student in they go to the colleges or schools and or any other institute, they don't get the environment out there. There's no connection between the teacher and the student. So the connection with a friendly connection between the teacher and the student is very much required, which generally is offered by Abhishek sir while taking the classes. You'll enjoy the classes actually. It will not be a burden on you, but you'll enjoy learning English. You'll enjoy learning new words. I'll enjoy learning new doing new stuffs and all, which is very much required. See, you go anywhere, okay, I'll say, but if you are lacking in English, you are lacking in 50% of your skills, I'll say, because English is one of very much required, as almost all the textbooks and all are generally printed in English. And one of the official language in India is also English. Okay, and everywhere it's very much required in most of the companies and all, in going to new colleges, new schools. If you are good in English, people do like see you as a high personality or very good in your thing. So I do recommend to visit the website of the AV Skill Development Bilaspur, as it will be in the comments below. And do I do request you to visit the institute when this lockdown procedure and the coronavirus will get over. I do recommend to go to the institute at least one, visit the institute at least once, because it's the most promising environment you are going to get out there. And yeah, please go for the online classes offered by Abhishek sir. by the institute, and it will be, yeah, 45 days it will be granted that you are generally going to change. Okay, you are going to lift from this level to that level. I'm talking about the English. And I do promise you that this you'll be very much acquainted with the subject, acquainted with the English language. Your pronunciation, your communication skills will be improved tremendously. Okay, so thank you. Please do go to the institute, please do visit. Okay, that's my humble request. So yeah, thank you, Rahul.
जैसे कि आपने राहुल का एक्सपीरियंस सुना, राहुल ने अपनी बातें बहुत अच्छे से बोली एंड आई आल्सो थैंक राहुल टू गिविंग द रिव्यू अबाउट एवी स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर बिलासपुर। अब जब आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें राहुल से सुन सके हो, कौन सी चीज़ कैसे होती है, किस तरीके से होती है, तो आप हमारे साथ कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। और अगर आपको इसी तरीके का कोई भी डाउट है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, किस तरीके के कोर्स रहेंगे, आपका लेवल बिल्कुल कम है, मीडियम है या फिर एडवांस लेवल से आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, तीनों टाइप के कोर्सेज हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं। ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज अभी के टाइप पे अवेलेबल है, ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, जिस भी तरीके से आप चाहते हैं आप कर सकते हैं। हम आपके लिए कम से कम स्टार्टिंग के 6 दिन एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर अरेंज करते हैं, जो पर्सनल ट्रेनर सिर्फ आपको अकेले में टीचिंग कराता है, ताकि आपको कोई डाउट हो, परेशानी हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप आराम से सॉल्व कर सको। बिकॉज हम समझते हैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रैबिंग पावर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग पावर अलग रहता है, कई थोड़ा जल्दी समझते हैं, कई थोड़ा लेट समझते हैं। तो आप उन सभी चीज़ों से, उन सभी इंसानों से बेटर समझ सकते हो। जब आप अकेले में किसी ट्रेनर से पढ़ते हो तो आप ज़्यादा बेटर तरीके से समझ सकते हो। तो आई विश कि आप जल्दी से कांटेक्ट करेंगे नंबर्स पे। कोई भी डाउट होगा, कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा, मेरा नंबर नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, मेरा नंबर स्क्रीन पे भी दिख रहा होगा, आप वहां पे कांटेक्ट कीजिए और जल्दी से अपने डाउट्स और प्रॉब्लम जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं उन सभी को क्लियर कीजिए। हैव अ वेरी गुड डे एवरीवन, थैंक यू।